Shout out to Charles. Link below. He just started his motovlogging YouTube channel. And like I say to everybody, if you're thinking about getting into this and you want somebody to watch it, put a link down. I'll go watch it. So with the COVID, I've made some progress on the old bike. Here she is. All she is a frame. And I haven't bought a welder yet, but I did buy an angle grinder. Yeah, so my plan is to prep the metal and at least learn how to weld enough that I can put the gas tank tabs. And if that doesn't work out, there's a local place to me. I think they're called the Welding Shop. Here's a picture of their card. And they were nice enough to give me some scrap. Give it to me. Didn't want to charge me a thing, because I was having trouble finding anywhere that would sell me metal to practice welding on, you know, prepping and welding. And if I figure out, oh, this is a lot harder than I thought, which I don't think it'll be, but at the very least, I've found a place that I can go and pay to have my frame plugged or sleeved and welded. So what is a plug? A plug is when you cut the pipe, the crack out of the pipe, and you put an insert on the inside, and then when you're all done, you can't see it. That's really nice. It might be the stronger of the two. The sleeve is easier. You weld a bigger piece of industrial pipe over the pipe that's already there, and then you can see it. And I'm planning to paint mine like a pink band-aid. So I always got a story. We'll see if I get that far, though. With these sorts of things, you never quite know if you'll get that far or not. You see that bird? Way proud. That bird came all the way from seeing Perry in Australia. Come see Ian in Louisiana.